Welcome to Content Strategy Mastery. In this video, we'll explore how to build a sustainable YouTube channel that grows consistently. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your existing channel, understanding the right strategy is crucial for long-term success. Every content creator faces a fundamental challenge. You want to grow your audience quickly, but you also need to build a loyal community that keeps coming back. This tension between rapid growth and sustainable success is what we'll address in this video. The key is understanding that these two goals are not mutually exclusive. Evergreen content is material that remains relevant and valuable for months or even years after publication. Think of tutorials, how-to guides, tips, and advice that don't depend on current trends or events. This content continues to attract viewers and generate views long after you upload it, building a solid foundation for your channel's growth. Evergreen content has several powerful advantages. First, it builds long-term authority in your niche, making you a trusted resource. Second, it generates consistent traffic month after month, even while you sleep. Third, it creates opportunities for backlinks and external promotion because the content stays relevant. Finally, it builds a loyal audience that keeps returning to your channel for reliable, useful information. Trending content is material tied to current events, viral moments, or popular topics happening right now. This could be news, challenges, seasonal content, or anything capturing the public's attention at this moment. Trending content has immediate appeal and can bring massive traffic surges in a very short time period. Trending content offers unique advantages for rapid growth. It generates massive views in a short time frame because people are actively searching for and sharing this content right now. It can make your channel go viral and gain significant subscribers quickly. It increases your visibility and helps new audiences discover your channel. However, the traffic from trending content drops quickly once the trend fades. Each approach has significant challenges. Evergreen content requires patience. It takes months to build momentum and see consistent results. You need to create high-quality, in-depth content that ranks in search results. Trending content is unpredictable and dependent on external factors you can't control. The viral moment might pass before you even finish creating your video. Plus, trending content views don't convert as well into loyal subscribers. The solution is balance. You need both strategies working together. Evergreen content provides stability and long-term growth. Trending content provides momentum and quick wins. When you combine them strategically, you create a channel that grows both quickly and sustainably. You get the best of both worlds, building both immediate traffic spikes and long-term authority. Here's the breakdown that works best for most creators. Allocate 70 to 80% of your content creation effort to evergreen material. This is your foundation. It builds authority, improves your search rankings, and creates a library of content that attracts viewers for years. Then allocate 20 to 30% to trending content. This provides growth momentum and keeps your channel fresh and engaging. This balance gives you stability with growth potential. Here's the clever part. Use trending content to drive traffic to your evergreen content. Create trending videos that reference your evergreen content. Include links and recommendations in your trending video descriptions. When people come for the trending content, guide them to your evergreen videos. This turns viral traffic into loyal subscribers who discover your core content. You're leveraging short-term momentum to build long-term authority. To balance your strategy effectively, start by identifying your evergreen content pillars. What are you known for? What unique expertise can you share? Build a consistent publishing schedule for this foundational content. Then, stay alert to trending opportunities in your niche. When a trend aligns with your expertise, create a quick trending video that leads back to your evergreen content. Monitor your analytics to see which trending topics drive the most engaged subscribers. Continuously refine your mix based on what works for your specific audience. Let's recap the 5 key takeaways. 1. Evergreen content is your foundation for long-term authority and consistent traffic. 2. Trending content gives you quick growth spikes and viral potential. 3. Balance is key. Aim for 70 to 80% evergreen and 20 to 30% trending. 4. Use trending content to amplify your evergreen material, turning viral visitors into loyal subscribers. 5. Long-term success requires both strategies working together. Start with a strong evergreen foundation, then add strategic trending content for exponential growth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.